Over the last few weeks, you must have read many reports that Indian stock market is anticipating the second version of taper tantrum after the Federal Reserve signaled a rate hike. In this video, we'll try to understand what is taper tantrum and what is its impact on India. Hello friends, welcome to iExamV. I welcome you all to another video of KYC, that is Know Your Concepts, where we try to let you understand basic economic and financial concepts in short videos. To understand this, we have to go back to 2008. Yes, the era of recession, when the United States faced one of the worst economic crises and it eventually impacted the whole world. To mitigate the impact of 2008 financial crisis, the Federal Reserve of the United States executed quantitative easing that involves bulk purchase of securities from the market to inject liquidity. It also kept the policy rates at minimum. This strategy of Federal Reserve worked, and by 2013 the American economy was performing fine. Then on one fine day in 2013, the Federal Reserve decided to gradually stop quantitative easing and increase the interest rates. That created panic in the market, and stock of many big companies crashed. Let us now understand why did this happen. When the interest rates are low in the economy, people will look for alternatives to park their money. The demand for bonds increase, hence the prices of bond increase. With the price rise in bond, the bond yield decreases. On the contrary, when the interest rates are increased, the bond yield also increases. The same thing happened in 2013 in the US. With the gradual tapering of rates by the Federal Reserve, the bond yield started to increase. This gives the equity investors an alternative investment tool that is almost risk-free. They switched places and the stock market crashed. This whole phenomenon is called taper tantrum. Now the question is, if this is happening in the US, why we in India should be concerned? There is a fair reason for this. When the Fed Reserve started tapering, the bond yield increases significantly. The American FPI or foreign portfolio investors felt investing in American bond is now more attractive than staying in the equity market of emerging countries like India. So they moved their investments back. With the decrease in FPI, the rupee nosedived against USD and inflation rate increases in India. I hope you got to learn some new things from this video. Please show your support by liking this video. Please share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to be notified on our content. This is Amit signing off.